welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This is my happy home and I am happy to have you. I hope that you like the content of this video enough to subscribe and become a resident of my happy home. Well, anyway, thank you so much everyone for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to clean up my kitchen. So this is going to be a clean and decorate with me.
Welcome to my happy home, where I bring you DIYs, hauls, home decor, thrifting and much more on a budget. If you're interested in these types of videos, then please like, comment and subscribe.
And here is how my kitchen looks like right now. And as you can see, I still have my Easter decor up. So I thought it was about time to take them down and clean up this mess. I have tons of stuff lying around that I was just too lazy to put away. So I am going to clean this mess up and give this kitchen a new, fresh look. So let's get ready and dive into this video. Since a few years, I discovered that my allergies were also triggered by real flowers inside my home, and I thought that was too bad because I love decorating with real flowers. Now, despite of that, I think I can really create some beautiful arrangement using faux flowers and pigs. And for this arrangement, I was trying to recreate a natural look, like something you would go out in the fields, pick your random real flowers and pigs, and come home and stick them into a vase and create this beautiful spring bouquet. And that is exactly what I'm trying to recreate here, using different types of flowers and pigs, because that is also new to me. I used to use only the same flowers and pigs in a vase, and I thought just by mixing and matching I would really create a real live looking bouquet. Who doesn't like the scent of a good candle? I am absolutely a scented candle lover. I burn them throughout the year. Now, just sometimes I come across a candle that when it's lit, it just doesn't give that throw that I was expecting. Now, I got a perfect solution for that. I just simply break up the candle wax in chunks and use them in my wax burner. And the scent really comes off so much stronger than when it's lit. And I also think that is so much safer this way, because the tea light will go off after a few hours. Just adding my final touches and I am done. I'm gonna leave you guys with a small tour of my kitchen. I hope that you have enjoyed this clean and decorate with me video. And if you're new to my channel, I would absolutely love it if you would consider hitting that subscribe button and become a resident of my happy home. Now, what do you think? Is this more of a spring or of a summer refresh to you? Let me know down in the comments. I would really love to hear your thoughts on this. For now, I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next one really soon. And everyone, till then, always remember to live, laugh and love, and stay safe. Bye!